In this video, I will show you how to get YouTube video URL. Now to do this, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com and just find the video that you want to get the URL link for. In this example, I've just gone ahead and searched for my channel and you can see one of my videos is coming up here. So what you want to do is actually click to be taken to the video screen. And once the video starts playing, if you come down underneath the video, you're going to see a share button down here. Give that a click, that's going to open a window like this, and you're going to see a link down here, which is your video URL link. All you need to do is click the copy button to the right hand side of this. As you can see, that's going to copy it to your clipboard, and then of course you can paste this or send this wherever you need to, which is going to direct people directly to that video using the video URL link. So that's how to get YouTube video URL. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.